Zero English? No problem. Today you'll speak your first real sentences, even if you've never tried before. Hi and welcome to the channel, the place where beginners become confident English speakers. In this video, you'll learn your first useful English words and build real sentences step by step, so you can actually start speaking. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. First words, greetings and basics. These are words you use every day to say hello and goodbye. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Salutations. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thanks. See you later. Introductions. My name is Sarah. What's your name? I am from Canada. How old are you? I am 28 years old. Where are you from? Basic questions. What, where, when, why, who, how. Part 2. Simple sentences. Let's talk about personal information. I'll go first. First, say, I am. Then, say your name. I am Sarah. Now say, I am from. Then, add your country. I am from the USA. Say, I like. Then, say something you like. I like coffee. Say, I don't like. Then, say something you don't like. I don't like vegetables. What do you do every day? Let's learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. Let's start with the morning. Listen and repeat. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Now your turn. Say, I eat breakfast at your time. Great. Now let's talk about school or work. Say, I go to school at 8 a.m. Now try this. I go to work at your time. Part 3. Simple questions and answers. What is this? This is a pen. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Part 4. Practice exercises. Let's learn how to introduce ourselves and have a short conversation in English. Introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Sarah. I am from Canada. I am 28 years old. Now you. Try it with your own name, country, and age. Answer questions. Let's answer some basic questions. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? Simple conversation. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Part 5. Listening practice. Now let's practice listening. You will hear a short conversation. Listen carefully and answer the questions. Hi, my name is Sarah. I am from Canada. How about you?
Hi, Sarah. My name is John. I am from the USA.
Great! Now, answer these 2 questions out loud or write them down. What is Sarah's name? Where is John from? Let's check. Sarah's name is Sarah. John is from the USA. Part 6. Conversation. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hello, Sarah. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Where are you from, John?
I am from the USA. And you?
I am from Canada. How old are you, John?
I am 30 years old. How about you?
I am 28 years old.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I like playing soccer.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have toast and tea. And you?
I have eggs and coffee. It was nice talking to you, Sarah.
It was nice talking to you too, John.
See you later.
Goodbye. Well done. You can now introduce yourself, ask and answer simple questions, and talk about your daily life. Practice every day. Speak English with a friend, family member, or just practice by yourself. Even one short conversation a day can help you improve. Just one short conversation a day helps a lot. Listen and repeat. Watch simple videos or listen to English audio. Try to repeat what you hear and use those sentences in real life. Keep going. Small steps every day. Be confident and enjoy learning English. If you learned something today, hit the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments. Write your name and where you are from. Let's start speaking together.